Okay, to analyze for normality test, we go to Analyze, and then down to Descriptive Statistics and Explore. Okay, from this screen, and for the dependent list, I'm going to do the DI, and then the skin groups are going to be my factor list. Go up here to statistics and keep this the same. My plots. And here, I don't want that. I do want the normality plots with test and continue. Under options, just leave it alone. From here, we're going to keep this on both. We will click OK. And scroll down. And here's our normality test. Easy.